How to set up payment gateways in WHMCS. This tutorial assumes you've already logged into your WHMCS admin panel. Now let's learn how to set up payment gateways. Click the Setup tab. Click Payments. Then click Payment Gateways. Click All Payment Gateways. This is where you can choose the payment gateways you want to set up. Let's start by setting up PayPal. Enter your PayPal email address so you can receive payments into your PayPal account. If you want to be able to give refunds from within WHMCS, you'll also need to fill in the 3 API fields. When finished, click Save Changes. Let's go ahead and add another payment gateway. Choose Mail-in Payment. You'll want to provide payment instructions like your bank information or mailing address here. Note that you can deactivate payment gateways by clicking the Deactivate link next to the gateway name. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up payment gateways in WHMCS.